Dear students, now the topic is factors of demand. Factors of demand are the variables that influence consumers' desire and ability to purchase goods and services. These factors can cause the demand curve to shift either to the right or to the left. Here are the main factors of demand. So one thing to remember before proceeding further, that if there is a demand curve and it's showing only the quantity and the price, that means that curve is showing only the effect of price, that is on the quantity demanded. Like if the price is increasing, the quantity is decreasing. If the price is decreasing, the quantity demand is increasing, right? But if there is a shift to the curve, that means we already have one curve and then we have another curve. Maybe it is shifting rightward or leftward, and that shift happens because of many reasons other than the price. So some of the factors are: one is income. In income, two things happens in two different kinds of goods. First of all, we have normal goods. Any goods, if consumers' income increases, the demand for that product will also increase. For example, if your income increases and for a particular good or service your demand for that good is increasing, that means that good is a normal good. For example, before in the breakfast you used to eat a burger, right, which is like $2. But when your income has increased, now you're buying a pizza which is like $4. So in this case, the pizza is a normal good, because as your salary or income has increased, the demand for the particular good has also increased. Then we have another kind of good which is called as inferior goods. See, as consumers' income increases, the demand for inferior goods decreases, because consumers can afford to buy higher quality substitutes. Now for example, before you used to eat burger and now you are eating pizza, and as your income has increased, what you are doing? You are not buying the burger, right? So here the demand for burger has decreased, because you can buy a pizza which is higher quality or higher price. So in that case, the burger is an inferior good. So always remember, if your income is increasing and the demand for a good is increasing, that means that good is a normal good. And if your income is increasing and the demand for a particular good is decreasing, then that good is called as inferior goods. Then we have another point that is called consumer preferences and tastes. See, changes in trends, fashions and consumer preferences can increase or decrease the demand for certain goods and services. Now for say example, people are becoming more health conscious, so they are avoiding sugary items like Coke, Pepsi or any kind of soda, and they are switching to fresh juice. So we can say that because of a change in trend or a consumer's preferences, demand for fresh juice has increased. Even if you see in the fashion industry, nowadays people are wearing baggy jeans and loose t-shirts. So this is in fashion right now. This is a new trend. So the demand for this kind of fashion, like these tops and jeans, has also increased. So that's for this topic today. We'll continue in the next video.